On the camera, open the network settings. Next, go to the device connection interface in the new connection settings. Check and note down the camera's password. Do not close this screen. Now perform the Wi-Fi connection on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, tap Camera, then select and turn on Wi-Fi. Tap Add New Device, locate and select this camera. After entering the password, tap Confirm. Wait about 10 seconds. When the control panel appears on the monitor, the camera connection is successful. Finally, save the connection settings on the camera to complete the connection. For future connections, when you turn on the monitor and want to connect to the camera, you do not need to re-enter the password. Simply go to My Devices, find your camera, and connect. Tap Rec, starts or stops video recording on the camera. Tap Iris, adjusts the aperture value. Tap Shutter, adjusts the shutter speed. Tap ISO, adjusts the ISO sensitivity. Tap Focus, in AF mode, you can perform touch focus directly on the monitor. Tap ND to adjust the ND filter strength. Tap WB, selects or changes the white balance mode. When white balance is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature.